Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So right here, you may be asking, hey Andrew, what's this? Well, it's a LED set for my car. Now this is a review. There were a lot of reviews on YouTube, but none of them really went into depth enough, and I didn't really know what I was going to expect, so I decided to just buy it and do a review on my own channel. So here we go. So this is off eBay, and it was like $10–15. So it could be broken right out of the box. I honestly have absolutely no idea. But we're just going to go for it. And hopefully it's not broken. So guys, if you haven't already, I'd love it if you guys go down and smash that like button. It's just like, I love it to see people liking my videos. Like, when you like the video, it's only like 1 second of labor for you guys. But it's really a full day of smiles and happiness for me. So it really means a lot to me to hit that like button. So just go ahead and like it. So here it is. It says Tayama, but it looks very fake. The stickers are barely holding on and everything. It's kind of grody. Has a little diagram. We're going to get into installing it in a second. You know, literally as I got downstairs, my mom's like, yo, you got another package. So that's something else, but of course we got our 1995 Honda Civic hatch. Back again, baby. This is also an eBay fan, if you guys can see that right there. So I'm gonna try and go and set up these wires. So basically, let's say this one might not be it, but let's say that one you plug into the throttle. You plug the actual throttle into that. Guys, so basically at this point, I had no idea what the hell I was doing. I was very, very confused. But this is like a couple months later, and I'm finally editing this video. I forgot I even filmed it, so now I'm editing it. And basically, if you look there on my hand, the one on the left, it's like a hole. It's like a rectangular hole, if you can see that. And then that one was on the left. And then if you look on the right of your screen, you can see in my hand there's also one that's like, it fits into there. So basically, the one that fits into there has the little 3 holes on it. So basically, let's say if those two are supposed to give the thing the throttle. So you're going to unplug the throttle, plug the one with 3 prongs into where the throttle was, and then plug the throttle into the hollow one that I had in my hand. So just plug that in. Like, the motor's still getting, but the box is also getting power. So it kind of just like splits it off, but it kind of takes a little bit to set up. So just getting that confusion out of the way, and now back to the video. Yeah, you plug the actual throttle input into that, and then you plug this into where the throttle is really coming from. So this plugs into your electronic speed controller, this right here. And then, wait a second, no, this plugs into, let's say if these two are your throttle, you plug this into your electronic speed controller, and then this you plug your real throttle into.
I'm not washing this, honey.
Okay, so your throttle will still come out of this port and go to your actual car, but it's also taking the input and using it for the lights. So I'm going to figure out what all these channels mean, and I'm going to plug it all together. Wait a second. I'm also looking at this, and it says, description of contents light. This one said toy lamp. So this could be RC lights as well. I don't think I bought any other type of lights. Oh, these are regular lights. So these are just the regular lights. They aren't the simulation lights. These are just the bad front lights and back lights. That's cool. So I'm going to stick this on my other cap, which I actually have right here. So these simple ones are going to go on this because they already have holes and everything. So these cheap simple lights are going to go on this, and the sort of expensive simulation lights going on the Civic. First we got to unplug everything because, you know, we don't want to die there. Did not come with instructions, so I'm just going to keep trying dingers out until it works. So this and this say CH1. So you know these both go together, as you can see, CH1, CH1. Seems like it's working. I'm not going to plug that one all the way in yet. Blue lights, don't know what those are. You know what? I'm going to name these so I know. Oh wait, it did come with a manual. I'm a pure and utter retard. Thing is, where'd I put it? Alright guys, so we have our scientific diagram here. So we've got our headlights, rear lights. Those shouldn't be on, by the way. These are blinkers. One of these is high beams, and one of these is reverse. Don't know which one's which, because they haven't turned on yet. So, we're going to have to leave those for a second here while I figure everything out. But we have our scientific thing here, so I should be able to figure it out pretty quickly. Got everything set up. So first off, before I say anything, regularly when you brake, it would turn on these blue lights that I didn't really like. So I set it up so when you brake, when it's idling, it's got these red lights on. When you go in reverse, these are white lights. So I'll just show you. So whenever you drive, these blue lights come on in the front. You can't see that, but there's blue lights here and there's the regular lights. So whenever you start driving, it's like the blue high beams turn on. And so then you got two lights lit up whenever you drive. And whenever you turn left, got those blinkers flashing. And then whenever you go in reverse, you see we got our reverse lights as well. Well, I do have an issue. Guys, so I'm just going to skip through that issue that I had because I think that was just something that happened to me. It was something that had to do with my throttle trim I had to set. So don't worry about that. You're probably not going to have that issue. Do not expect it to work when it comes to you. I mean, I'm not disappointed about this because what do you expect? eBay, Chinese, knockoff Tamiya parts. It's all going through this thing. And basically, this thing's retarded, and it flakes out. So if I just start like going like beep, 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 like a little bit, this thing gets like overwhelmed or something, because all of the commands are going to this, and then that. Something goes on in here, and it just starts going full throttle backwards, and then it just doesn't go full throttle until you turn it off and turn it back on. That's eBay for you. I don't think the real Tamiya one would do that. But this one does, which is dumb. Alright, so I had it set up so I basically messed around with the steering trim until I got it so when I went like this, the blinker would turn on. When I went like that, the blinker would turn on. But it turns out that when I turned the trim on, this was way over to the side. So what I did was I just unscrewed it from here and here, and then I just realigned this piece on the gear so that it's straight again. So now everything should be working, and I'm going to go take it out for a nice drive. Alright, so let's see these blinkers. Hey! Hey, let's go! We got them! Front as well, right? Let's check the front too. Hey, let's go. Got them flashing, bruh. Got the reverse lights. Reverse lights too. Watch this. Can't see it. Wait, let me just lift it up off the ground so y'all can see this. So here we have our Civic, and basically what we have to do for the simple lights is, it's actually way simpler than any power you can find. So right here we have power right there. So we're just gonna plug that right on in there. As you can see, our lights are now illuminating. That looks blue. It's not blue. It's as white as those. You just can't see it on on the actual screen. As you can see, we got our rear lights shining up there. The same like shine, like distance. Just these are pointing out further out. Like as you can see, these lights, they're ending up right there and there, while these headlights are ending up on that door and way up there. So these have a much bigger, much wider spread. Alright, so if we just gun it, you can see that the Civic's lights turns off and the blue lights come on up on the front. And if we go into reverse, by the way, these are both connected with the same circuit, so when I go backwards, both of the cars are going backwards, because that's just a cap sitting on the ground, so there's no car in it. So, and then if we turn, as you can see, that dude's got the signals. Oh, the other dude ain't. Look how bright those are, though, as well. Like, it's illuminating everything. So this one basically doesn't react to anything you do, but this one's got the blinkers, reverse lights, brake lights, high beams. The high beams are the blue lights as well, if you didn't know. You can actually see it turn on over there. I can, but I don't know if you guys can from the glare. It's literally illuminating everything. It's so sick. And we've also got our blinkers. We got our reverse as well. These things are pretty sick. I would recommend them. They're worth the $10. They're way worth the $10. It's just willing to do the wait, buy them off eBay, or $40 and get them instantly. But you also don't get the things as well, which suck. But anyway, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, really helps, gives me a nice day. If this gets to 10 likes, I got a really good prank video that I might be posting. And also, hit the subscribe button, because I've got a pretty good 200 subscriber special. So, be sure to subscribe.